Hey guys, it's Trippy and welcome to Trippy in Cornwall. I wanted to make this video today for any potential new viewers that are wondering what the channel's all about, as I've been making videos for 2 years now and I realised I've never done a channel trailer, so this is it and I hope you guys enjoy. So in those 2 years I've made a large back catalogue of videos ranging from mountain bike tracks, trail riding, coastal walks and countless beaches. So whether you live in Cornwall or you're visiting from elsewhere, hopefully my previous videos will help you find inspiration for places to visit. As for future videos, there is still a lot of ground I haven't covered, and also areas I plan to revisit now I have a drone. So sea kayaking has been on my bucket list for months now, and I'd also like to explore caves and abandoned areas some more. Cornwall has a rich history and I'd love to share it with you. And finally, while Cornwall will always be the focus of the channel, I'm planning on filming whenever I go on holiday too, so that could be in the UK or abroad. I believe the channel right now has 2 places that aren't in Cornwall, but I hope to expand on that. But as I say, Cornwall will always be my focus. So hopefully there's plenty of content to look forward to in the future, and if that sounds like something you might enjoy, feel free to subscribe. Either way, thanks for watching, and I just want to throw in at the end there for my current subscribers and viewers that know me for a while now, you know I hate asking for people to subscribe and to like and all that business, so I apologise for that, but for the purpose of the channel trailer I had to throw it in, so sorry in advance, but yeah, appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.